Hey yo, I been on, been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today's video is gonna be a simple tutorial using a ponytail I got from Better Length here for black women. So let's just get straight to it. First, I'm gonna part my hair down the middle to better guide me in parting off the front. One of my subscribers tease me all the time. I've always parted my hair in the middle, but it's pure love. I love her. I can't be mad at her though, because it's true. I'm always parting my hair down the middle, but this usually helps to guide me in making my hair even on both sides. Now that I have my section all parted off, I'm gonna hold the back away with a hair tie while I work on the front. I'm parting the front of my hair in a triangle shape with the 2 points meeting in the front of my forehead. To make it easier, each time I part a section, I'm gonna hold that side away with a clip or something while I part the other section. I'm using this shine and jam to make my partings much sharper, and I'm also gonna be using it to hold my hair in place. I got the shine and jam in my local beauty supply store. I know some of you guys have been asking about it. I'm putting the middle in a air tie to get it out my way because I'm gonna start on the sides first. I'm gonna use a synthetic hair I found laying around, but it's so long I'm gonna cut it in half. I want my hair to lay nice and flat for what I'm about to do, so I'm using the shine and jam to brush all them fine hair in and to smooth out my hair so it will stay in place for the braids I'm gonna do now. Y'all see me do feeding braids before, so that's exactly what I'm doing here. So I don't think I'm gonna be saying too much about what I'm doing. Y'all could just watch and follow along. Also, adding extension for this braid right here is totally optional. You could use your own hair to do it and it will still look good. I'm just adding here because I want it to look nice and full, that's all. But like I said, you could use your own hair and it will still look flawless. Just do whatever it is that works for you and your hair type.
A coalition of decisions whirling in my heart, and my vision, a rescission, has never been this hard. I got wasted when I tasted the sweetness of your lips. We're not ready, we're unsteady, I'm stuck inside your grip. I'm going down, down, down like a waterfall. You keep
I did not braid the hair all the way to the end because that wasn't necessary for what I'm doing.
of obsession has never been this close. And the matter if I'd rather just lock myself indoors. Unrighteous, this virus, no dog or pill can cure. This pattern won't turn it. You got me.
Now that I'm done with those feeding braids, I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun to get it all prepared for the ponytail I'm gonna add on it. As you notice, I'm only adding the middle section to my bun, and that's because I wanted to wrap the two at the sides around my ponytail, but that did not happen. I changed my mind at the last moment. The hair I'm gonna be using is Better Length Hair for Black Women, and it came in this little bag. At first glance, I was already in love with the ponytail. It was nice and full and fluffy, and it has nice curls to it. So as for these two pieces at the side, I decided to wrap them around my bun to keep them under my ponytail instead of wrapping them around my ponytail itself. Installing the ponytail was super easy. All I did was put it over my bun, clip it in, pull the string to tighten it to my liking. Then I also wrapped the string around it to secure it even better, and at the end I used a small bobby pin to hold it in place. I know right now that I just put it in, it looks crazy. I have to agree with that, but watch me fluff it with my fingers and get it how I want it.
A collision of decisions whirling in my heart, and my vision, a rescission has never been this hard. I got wasted.
I'm also gonna spray some water on it to moisturize it a little bit, and this has some leave-in conditioner in it and also some oil. Now I'm gonna add some hair jewelry to it to glam it up a little, because why not? With this Ebin 24-hour edge tamer, I'm gonna lay my edges for the final touch.
Never been this close, and no matter if I'd rather just lock myself indoors. I'm righteous, this virus, no dog or pill can cure. This pattern won't turn it, you got me by the cord. I'm going down, down, down like a waterfall.
I went ahead and did my makeup off camera, and this is the final look, you guys. What do you think? I absolutely love this ponytail, like for real. The quality is amazing. The bounce is everything, and because of the quality, you will definitely have this for a long time. Excuse me while I bust a move. Okay, back to business. Check the description box. I'll leave my discount code so you guys could get some money off when you're making your purchase. Thanks to Betterland for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!